Hi, good day, it's me, Jaycee, and welcome to Robot Show Tunes, my very own YouTube channel where I get to review Transformers toys, Voltus 5 toys, Macross or Robotech toys, Evangelion toys, and whatever else I may fancy. And today, we have a Robot Show Tunes ad-lib, an unscheduled video between scheduled ones to cover just arrived goodies, just like the one you see before you. This here is from Anotoys, and I must say it took them long enough to get this for me. And the only reason I chose them is I was late getting into this whole toy collecting syndrome, and at the time I wanted this, they were the only sellers that still had this available for pre-order. My experience with Anotoys has been interesting, to put it kindly. But I'm reserving my thoughts on that for another video, or perhaps just a post on Robot Show Tunes' Facebook page. Anyway, this here ad-lib, it's just a straight-up unboxing to create hype or whatever. I'll do the actual video once I'm more acquainted with our new friend here. So, without further ado... Surprise! It's Mafex, or Mafex number 080 from Medicom Toy, an officially licensed Eva Unit 1 action figure. That is Eva Unit 1 as she appears in Evangelion 2.0 You Cannot Advance. Now stay tuned for the actual review, and until then, enjoy regularly scheduled programming. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel, and follow Robot Show Tunes on Facebook if it so please you. So, until next time, we'll be seeing you at the theater.